Hello, welcome back to another Cook with Sleeper Barbecue. Today we're going to be doing another whole chicken, but I'm going to try out something new and I hope I don't destroy the chicken, but that's why I'm starting with a chicken because it's the least expensive, believe it or not, even today's prices. But I'm using my kamado style Bayou Classic ceramic egg, and I had the Amish make me a 1/4-inch steel wire hanging device to sit inside the fire ring, and it allows me to hang from inside of this ceramic egg, making it a little bit more versatile. So I've got the chicken pretty much trimmed up, but let me reset the camera and we'll bring you right back in. So as you can see, I took the gillet packet out, just trimmed some of the butt off of the chicken, and I'm just going to season it up today with a little bit of this Galendo's Texas rub. It's SPG, salt, pepper, and garlic, and there's actually onion in this. And then as it cooks, I'm going to try this Korean style barbecue sauce. I'm just going to continuously baste this thing throughout its cook and see what I come up with. I'm also going to be stuffing butter under the skin, and I've already pulled the skin loose from the breast meat, so you basically just run your fingers up underneath of this skin until you get it to release from the meat. One thing I will add is just be careful. As you can see, I tore the skin a little bit there from trying to force my fingers in there when I should have slowed down and looked at and saw what I was doing, but it still works. It's I wish I didn't tear it, yes, but it'll be perfectly fine. Let's get a little bit of seasoning on this bird. As I said, I'm using the Galendo's SPG /O. I'm not going to go real heavy with it. This could be a little interesting. It's the first time of trying this little mod, which is just pretty simple. I have a small fire down there, mostly some used lump coal and some briquettes to get this thing going. I'm probably going to have to come up with another way of a smaller hook, because this thing is just a little too long. It's off my turkey fryer. Touch up that seasoning a little bit. And let's throw in a couple pieces of See that butter and grease already hitting that fire. Throw in a couple pieces of pecan. And we'll get her closed up. Okay, let's give it a look-see here and see what's going on. I did sort of start the basting of this Korean barbecue sauce, but I'm just going to keep that going. The biggest fears is what's going to happen to this bird near the bottom of it, because I'm only about 6 inches off the lump coal. But I've got a real small fire going, so I think I'm going to be all right. Okay, it's been a little more than an hour. Let's take a peek. I'm loving that color. Alright, as you can tell, one side of this bird got a little crispy. Again, learning this new hanging unit for my kamado style ceramic egg by Bayou Classic. It's only been about 5 minutes since I took it off, so it's just really close to, actually it's probably past dinner time, but I wanted to take a taste on camera. Ouch. Plain moist. Sorry. Very good. Super, super moist. So the other side is definitely a lot crispier. I'd like to try a piece with that skin on it. That thing is hot. So I don't know if you can really see just how moist it is, but it's plenty moist. And a little on the crispy side. Okay, let's do the recap. So, I had a modification made for my Bayou Classic ceramic kamado style cooker. It's basically just a hanging attachment that sits on the fire ring and allows you to hang from the center of it. And that's the part I need to tweak a little bit more. I need something shorter if I'm using whole chickens, because I'm only about 6 inches off the coals. And I'd like it to be a little further up than that. It's close to the point where I couldn't even use the diffuser plate during the cook, but it was a super moist bird. One side of the chicken did get crispy on me. Again, that's just a learning process. First time I ever used this. Next time I'll either rotate it some. I'll do something different from the inside, because if you have a hot spot, it gets crispy over there. Personally, I eat burnt potato chips, so it didn't hurt my feelings at all. Let's see here. I used Rick's Barbecue and Specialties, the Glendo Texas barbecue rub. This is basically SPG with garlic in it, salt, pepper, and onion with a little bit of garlic in it. I do like this stuff, Rick. It's good stuff. I might probably wait until you restock, as I understand. Should you want any of this Glendo rub, you need to contact Rick PDQ, because his inventories are going down real low, and he's not going to be restocking it up for a while. He has a couple other priorities within his barbecue business. So, but I'm not in a position where I can do anything with that right now. That's it. I'll stop rambling. This is Lance with Super Barbecue out of St. Mary's County, Maryland. As always, please, if you would, like and subscribe to the channel so that we can grow and get bigger, and hopefully bring more things to you. Like maybe even a second camera I would love, but that way we could show you different views of the cook. But that's down the road. Crawl before you walk. Thanks again. We'll see you next time.